Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin, and today I'm going to try a makeup brand that I have never tried before, and that is Gurl Meets Makeup. Look how cute these are. These are 2 eyeshadow palettes. That's all I got from the brand. So they actually have 6 eyeshadow palettes on their site, and that's it, but I decided to pick up 2 because I wanted to test the formula, and these 2 are the ones that stood out the most to me. So let me show you what they look like. This is the Fall Leaves palette. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? Oh my god, this is I don't know, it might be my favorite, but I also really like this one. This one is Cosmos, and it looks like this. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna actually use both today, maybe. Yes, I think I might use both because I have an idea, kind of, sort of. So we'll see how this goes. I'm a little nervous because I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but Gurl Meets Makeup is a Black-owned indie brand, which I am so excited to test out on my channel. I am very excited for these palettes. So each palette retails for $29.99, and I think that's actually a really good price. You get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 shadows in each palette, so I think that's pretty good. And yeah, that's all I really have to say right now, other than I'm excited to test it out. And let's test out these palettes and see what they're all about. I'm really excited. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so we can prime and try to do the eyes. My bangs are getting long, so I'm gonna have to try to get them out of the way. I need to cut them, so yes, let me zoom you guys in. So today, for today's look, I think I'm gonna use tape. I know this is like not good. You're like really not supposed to use like Scotch tape. You really should be using like eye makeup tape, but I don't have any. So tape is what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna put it on my hands a few times and try to get the really sticky parts off so it doesn't pull at my eye too much and, you know, give me wrinkles and pull at my eye and all that kind of good stuff, because, you know, I'm only 25, but I would like to stay looking younger if possible. I swear it's like the most uncomfortable feeling, but I like the way it looks, so I'll do it. But I really need to get some like makeup tape. I feel like that would be the smart thing to do, but you know, I'm working harder, not smarter. Getting them even is the hardest part. I don't know, whatever. It doesn't really matter to me, if I'm being honest. I just don't care that much. I'm going to just prime my eyes now with the P. Louise base, like always. Like I said, don't really like it, but I bought a bunch of them, so this is what I'm going to use. Okay, so the eyes are primed, the tape is on. Let's get down to business, shall we? I am going to take the Cosmos palette, Cosmos palette, I can't say it. And these don't have names, so I'm just going to take this deep matte purple right here. And I'm going to put this in the outer corner crease area. I'm kind of working a little backwards today. I don't really know why. I kind of just kind of feeling it. So I'm gonna just do this and kind of put it where I would the deepest shade, usually like last, but you know, we're doing things a little bit different today. I don't know why, like I said, I'm just feeling this. This is a pretty shade. This is kind of like gonna be winging it. Literally winging. I'm so funny. Okay. Really like that shade. Beautiful pigmentation. It's a really nice purple. I love it so much. Next, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, and I really don't know how these colors are gonna mesh together, but I'm gonna give it a try anyways. I'm going to take the Fall Leaves palette, and I'm going to take this dark greeny tealy shade. It's really pretty. And I'm going to blend the purple out with that. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. I'm not gonna take too much as I take a ton. We'll see. And just like blend it out. Let's see what we're working with. I don't really know how the green and purple. So I was talking to my boyfriend last night because I really don't know a lot about color theory, which is like probably really stupid that I don't know a lot about color theory. And I was trying to figure out the differences between colors, and like when you mix certain colors you get like browns and like a grayish tone, if that makes any sense. Do you know what I'm talking about? I feel like if you know colors, you probably know what I'm talking about, because I don't know what I'm talking about. But I'm trying to kind of learn that a little bit better, because I feel like it's good to know, because I do makeup and I feel like it would probably help with like certain makeup looks and stuff like that. Yeah, we were talking about it last night and I still am so like not fully sure what it all is and stuff, so I guess I could just YouTube it, huh? I YouTube everything else, so why doesn't YouTube teach me about color theory? Maybe that's what I should do. Maybe I should just spend time YouTubing it and like figuring it out. Oh my god, my bangs. I should really learn it, you know? I feel like it's important to know that kind of stuff. I'm gonna take more of the purple shade we used and just put a little bit more to help blend this green. Although I will say they're blending nicely together. So yeah, these are blending really nice together. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, this is a very dramatic look, obviously. What can I say? This lighter teal shade right here, and I put that in the inner part because it'll like maybe flow. They might look the same, to be honest. Yeah, it's more just like I took it, well, yeah, they're about the same. I guess it doesn't matter, I'm gonna do a cut crease, so I'm very sorry if you don't like dramatic looks, because that's exactly what this is. This is super dramatic. I didn't exactly mean to go like this, but you know, the heart wants what the heart wants, guys, and I guess I just wanted a dramatic look today. So for the lid, I have tons of options. Like I have tons of options. I have golds, I have purples, I have like a gray blue. What's that look like? That's pretty. That's really pretty. I have this like more cornflowery blue. That's pretty. We got this like lavender lilac-y purple. That's really pretty. Ooh, these two colors would be really pretty together. I really want to use the glitter in here. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? I'm not a glitter person. Look at that. Hello, focus. Look at this. I'm not a glitter person, and I know you're like not supposed to use it, but you know what I mean? I don't know, we have like a dark blue over here. We have like a pinky tone. We have like a gold. Ooh, that gold is beautiful. We have a gold in the Cosmos palette as well. So they're a little different. That's pretty. We have like a green. Look at these. They're really pretty. Really, really pretty. We have like an aqua-y color. Oh, yes. See, I feel like that's a little too similar to the eyes though, and I don't want to fully take away that. I kind of like the purple and the blue together, like these two shades. Hello. These two shades would be really pretty. So I might Might do those. So let's do that. I'm gonna cut my crease with the NYX Glitter Primer like Betty Jean does here on YouTube. She's the one that got me hooked on that. She does it and it looks so good when she does it, and honestly it's a really good technique. Instead of using concealer, it just works, I don't know, it just works really well. So I'm going to cut my crease. I cut this eye first. I'll do the other one off camera. So I'm going to take this darker cornflowery blue shade right here, and I'm going to put that on the outer portion of the cut crease, more like right here. That is so beautiful. Oh my god, whoa, I love that shade. Oh my god, whoa, I love it, I love it, I love it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on camera in all its like beautiful glory, but like that is a stunning, that is a, I love it. Oh my god, I love it so much. Okay, wow, that's so pretty. I'm going to take this lavendery, purpley, lilac-y shade. I told you I can't describe colors. And I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to put it on the inner part of my cut crease. Wow, these shimmers are really beautiful. Wow, look at that. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it so much. Oh my god, this is so stunning. Wow. Just gonna take a little bit of the darker blue and kind of mash them together a little bit better. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me do the other eye real quick. There are children screaming. I don't mind that they're screaming, like that they're playing and stuff, but it honestly sounds like they're being murdered, which is terrifying. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the first purple shade that we used just to deepen this outer corner again and kind of blend into the shimmer, just to reignite that strong purple hue that we have and blend into the shimmer so it doesn't look as harsh or anything like that. Now it's time to peel the tape, which is always the scariest time, but I think it turned out pretty good. Oof, oh my god, I love this so much. Oh, this is so pretty. I have a little bit of fallout right here. I don't know if you can see, but it's really not a lot, so it'll be easy to just wipe it away. So that's gonna do it for the lid. So I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup and then we'll do the lower lash together. Just so you guys know, I'm also testing out a new foundation and concealer. I'm testing out the Yoma Say What Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. So I am testing that out. I'm also testing out the Beauty Bakery Instabake 3-in-1 Concealer. I bought those off of Ulta and I am going to be testing those out. I've used them, this is gonna be my third time using them, and I have some thoughts, so I will do a video on those probably next Monday. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup and then we will finish up the eyes. Okay, so I got my face makeup on. These freckles, okay, the first time I did them, I thought they looked pretty realistic, and now I just like can't do it, and now I feel like they look like watermelon seeds on my face. So not really sure. I feel like I look stupid. I hope it doesn't look that bad on camera. So you know, whatever. Let's finish up the eye look, shall we? So I'm going to take the dark purple shade from the Cosmos palette that we used on the outer corner, and I'm going to put that really close to my lower lash line. Like that, just outlining my eye. And because I want to use this shade so badly, I'm going to take this pink shade from the Cosmos palette and I'm going to blend out the purple with the pink. Oof, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Okay, and for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this shade. It's the lightest shade we have in either palette, and I'm going to use, can you see it? I'm going to use this shade right here to brighten up the inner corner. Whoa. So I'm going to put mascara on and a lip, and then we will be right back and I will give you guys my thoughts. Okay, so this is the finished look. Again, don't mind the freckles. They look like watermelon seeds or something. I don't know, I'm really bad at them now. I like can't make them look real. They just look really, really fake, and I don't know how to fix it. I don't know. I need to practice the fake freckles. Anyways, so yeah, this is the final look. I love it. It is stunning. This is beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. So let me zoom you guys out and let me tell you guys what I'm thinking. Okay, so as I said, we were using both palettes today. I actually only used one shade. It's right here in the Fall Leaves palette. So I actually used more from the Cosmos palette, which is so interesting to me because I really thought I was going to go for this one more, but it looks like this one's really calling to me. This one only has 1, 2, 3 mattes out of the 12, which I kind of hate because I am a more mattes versus more shimmers kind of gal. But I don't know, these shimmers in here are incredible. These are some fantastic shimmers in this palette. I love the shimmers. The mattes are great too, but these shimmers are a standout in my eyes. Wow, they're beautiful. This palette, I only used this shade right here, so I can't speak too much on it, but the matte was beautiful. It blended beautifully. I cannot wait to use more shades from it because I just think it's absolutely stunning. And yeah, I'm really, really happy with these palettes. I think they're both worth the $29 that I paid. I actually got these on sale. I think I got 20% off both palettes. They are currently sold out right now, but I'm sure that the restock is coming soon. I love them. I highly, highly recommend, well, especially the Cosmos palette because that's what I use the most. I highly, highly recommend this one. I think this one's beautiful too, so I like them both. But man, this blew my socks off. Wow, I love this look. I think it looks beautiful. I'm so happy with it, and everything performed wonderfully. So I am super, super impressed so far with Gurl Meets Makeup. I really like the palettes I've tried. I need to get like all of them now because I'm a hoarder. I'm an eyeshadow palette hoarder, and if I find a formula I like, I need them all. So yeah. Let me know if you want any tutorials, 3 looks, 1 palettes, blah 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 kind of videos with either of these palettes. I will be happy to do them for you guys, so just let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I really, really liked what I've tried so far, and I'm happy to keep using them. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried these palettes, if you want to try these palettes, if you like this eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content you are enjoying from me. That way I can keep providing you that content. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we can become friends and talk about makeup and horror and books and episode and all kinds of things. I do a ton on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!